In today's video, I'll be giving you a Trojan bot on Solana copy trade tutorial. Now if you're interested in learning how to copy trade on Solana, as well as how to use the Trojan bot to copy trade, then this video is perfect for you, as I'll be showing you exactly how we can copy trade using this bot, and I'll also show you my best method of finding winning wallets which we can input into this bot. Now in order to start using the Trojan bot to copy trade, you must first actually set it up. If you haven't yet accessed the Trojan bot, I will leave an invitation link in the video description down below, and if you click on that link, you'll get taken to this page where you can actually start using the bot today. Now in order to copy trade using the bot, we can go down to this section and we can click copy trade. This will open up this menu, and as you can see, it says copy trade allows you to copy the buys and sells of any target wallet. So in order to add a new wallet to our copy trade list, we can simply click new right here. And from here, we can start setting up a new copy trade. So what we want to do from here is actually find a profitable wallet which we can input into the bot. So what I'd recommend you do is actually head over to a website called Deck Screener, and from there we can click Solana on this left hand side so that we can view only Solana coins. From here we can set the trending to 24 hours, and you can either click the transactions once or volume once so that it's sorted by highest volume or highest transactions. From there we need to find a coin that's gone up a lot. Now as we can see, this CatGPT has gone up 3000%. So we can click on it, and from there we can look underneath the chart for this tab which says top traders. Now when we click on it, we'll be able to drag this up, and here we can see all the top traders of this coin. And from here we want to find a wallet that matches our trading style. So some wallets will be like this, where they put in a big amount of money and then sell after a 2x, and as you can see right there, they've made $100,000. However, there is some wallets like this which will put in a smaller amount and then they will hold for more multiples. So this wallet bought $6,000 worth, and they've sold for a profit of around $60,000. So let's just say I liked this wallet and I wanted to see if it was actually good. I can click this button here to filter, and we can see when they bought and when they sold. So you can see they bought down here when it was undervalued, and they sold on this first peak, and they finished selling on this second peak. So this shows that this wallet knows what they're doing, and this could be a good wallet copy trade. So what I'm going to do from here is click this button over here on the transaction, and that will open up the block explorer where we can actually find the wallet address. And the wallet address in this case is this one right here where it says signer. So I can go over here and click copy to clipboard, and we can now open up Trojan bot. So to start with, I'm going to give it a tag. Now for this, I've just called it CatGPT Profitable Wallet 1, because CatGPT was the coin they were trading, and this is just a profitable wallet, so I've put that to help me remember. So I can click enter to set the tag, and it now gets updated in here. We can now set the target wallet, and I'm going to click on that and then paste in the wallet address that we just got. From there I can click enter, and we can now set some of this information down below. So to start with, there's buy percentage, and here we can enter the percentage of the target's buy amount to copy trade. So they do give an example down here if you don't know what I mean. So they say if a target buys with 1 Solana and you set the buy percentage to 50%, you will buy with 0.5 Solana. Now for that wallet I showed you earlier, they actually bought $6,000 worth. So if that's nowhere near the amount that you would be happy to trade, you might want to lower this down to something like 1 to 10%. However, this will be different for each wallet you find, because every person's going to be buying with different amounts of Solana. But I would recommend setting this quite low to start with, because if you set it to 100% and they had a few bad trades with a lot of money, you can end up losing a lot of Solana. So I'd keep it low to start with until you can properly determine that it is a solid, profitable wallet. Now we can also choose to copy sells as well. And if you are copying the exact buys that this wallet's doing, then I'd also recommend copying the sells. And from there, we can set the buy gas, sell gas, and slippage. But personally, I'd leave these how they are, as they're set to good amounts. So in order to actually add this wallet and start copy trading it, we can click add, and it's now been added to our list. If we ever need to pause all of our wallets at the same time, we can click pause all, and this will change to orange, which shows that the trade is paused. You can repeat this process for as many wallets as you want by clicking new and then entering all the details again. But you do need to be careful when you are copy trading, because as I said earlier, if you have the buy percentage set to 100% and they have a few bad trades, then you can end up losing a lot of money. So before you actually add this wallet, what I'd recommend you do is find out whether it is a profitable wallet first. And you can do that by checking their recent transactions, and you can see how much money they are up over the course of a week or a month, something like that, to determine whether they are a profitable trader. So this has been my step-by-step Trojan bot copy trade tutorial. As I said earlier, if you need to try out Trojan bot for yourself, I'll include an invitation link in the video description down below. and you can click that to get started today. So that's how you can copy trade on Solana. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.